Hello YouTube watchers, me Pity. Welcome to my channel. Today you're going to be learning how to take out a seafoam cherry. Ready, set, let's start. First, you get a cherry thing. You put it all the way in your mouth. Then when you eat the cherry, but be careful. And when you're done with the cherry, try not to get the seed. Let me show you this way. It's going to take a while.
Let me know when you have it, okay?
I got it.
Right here. Put it right here.
Now, see, I got it. I can do it with the same one.
And that's how it's done.
Bye-bye, YouTube watchers. I hope I see you in the next video. Now more funny videos.